Good morning 5th B class students. Today I am your computer teacher going to explain you lesson number 4, advanced feature of word processor 2. So look at your book page number 42. So in this chapter we will learn these terms: finding and replacing the text, inserting word art, clip art and watermark, working with shapes, applying borders and shading, using drawing tools, inserting cover page. So in this chapter in this chapter we will do finding and replacing the text. So in this previous lesson you have learned some formatting feature as well as page setting options. So in this lesson you will learn about drawing tools besides focusing on some editing and formatting tools. So पिछले चैप्टर्स में आपने देखा कि आप कैसे पेज की सेटिंग्स कर सकते हो और कैसे अपने पेज को ब्यूटीफुल फॉर्मेटिंग फीचर से बना सकते हो। और अब हम इस चैप्टर में सीखेंगे कि कैसे हम कुछ ड्राइंग टूल्स यूज़ करके अपने टेक्स्ट में कुछ एडिटिंग या फॉर्मेटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. So let's start from the finding the text. When you're working with larger documents, Word provides the facility to search your document using the find feature and change words or phrase using the replace option. To find a particular word or phrase in the current document, follow these steps. So when you're working in larger documents, so students when you're working अगर आप बहुत बड़े डॉक्यूमेंट में काम करोगे, मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा जहाँ पे टेक्स्ट टाइप होता है, तो वहाँ पे कुछ अगर हमने पर्टिकुलर कोई वर्ड सर्च करना हो या उस वर्ड को हमने रिप्लेस करना हो, तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड हमें ये फैसिलिटी देता है, या इसके अंदर हम कह सकते हैं कि ऐसी फीचर है जिसका नाम है फाइंड, जिसके साथ हम कोई भी वर्ड को फाइंड ईजिली कर सकते हैं लार्ज डॉक्यूमेंट में से. एंड चेंज वर्ड्स, और उस वर्ड को हम चेंज भी कर सकते हैं कौन से ऑप्शन के साथ? रिप्लेस ऑप्शन के साथ. सो दिस चैप्टर दिस find and replace option I will show you practically also. So these are the steps given how to do it practically. So you look at your book, I will show you it practically. So like we have opened Microsoft Word here. So when we click on Microsoft Word, here like we have typed some matter and we want to find. So like here I will type some matter here, which you can see easily. I will change its size and change its color also. From here we can change the colors. So we can write some text like students, hello, how are you, I hope all are well, and today we will know about find and replace option. Okay, so you type some text, then from here I will show you how to find. So click on the find drop down arrow in the editing group. So this is your home tab. In home tab there is one find button. See, this is given in your book also. First step, click on the find drop down button in the editing group. On the home tab a drop out menu will appear. So when you click on this one, this menu will appear. A navigation pane, इसको हम कहते हैं navigation pane. So type the text you want to find in the search box. So we will click on the find button, and here this one navigation box will come. Here you will type the text whatever you want to find. Like from here whatever you want to find, from this like we want to find where it is written today. So write here today. Okay, so which word you want to find, then it will show you the text will found, and it will be highlighted in yellow and preview will be displayed in the navigation pane. तो आपको यहाँ पे आपको साइड पे ये navigation pane है, यहाँ पे आप लिख रहे हो, and your text will be shown here also today highlighted way. So select the advanced find option from the drop down to search document text, and find and replace dialog box appears. So if you want to click on the find and advanced find option, then this box will come, which is given as a figure of 4.1 find and replace dialog box in your book also. So here you can write the word which you want to replace. From here you can also find. Now we click on replace option, and we want that in place of today it should come yesterday. अगर आपने कुछ रिप्लेस करना है तो आप यहाँ पे कर दोगे रिप्लेस विद बॉक्स में येस्टरडे, देन क्लिक हियर रिप्लेस ऑल, then it will show you word has reached the end of the document, one replacement was made. one means जहाँ पे क्योंकि टुडे आपने एक ही बार लिखा था टेक्स्ट में, तो एक ही बार वो रिप्लेस हो गया. सो डू यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू सर्चिंग द बिगिनिंग? yes, then it will replace word has completed its search of the document and had made one change, then close. So you can see here where we have written today, it has replaced it with yesterday. So this is your replace option which we have done. So what is the use of replace option? That you can see here, replacing the text on your book page number 43, replacing the text on the next page we will see here. आपको मैंने अभी प्रैक्टिकली भी दिखाया रिप्लेस ऑप्शन कैसे कर सकते हैं हम. सो रिप्लेस ऑप्शन मीन्स बिसाइड सर्चिंग द टेक्स्ट you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. To replace the text, follow the given steps, or you can click on the replace button also from the home tab. So we will open the word here. In the word, this home tab, this is your replace button. From here also the same way you can replace any text. So the word which you want to find and the word which you want to replace, write in replace box. In this way we can replace the text. So students, there is one tip is given here in the top. You can see this one also. If you click on the matched case checkbox, it will search the text with a similar case that you have typed in find word box. इसका मतलब है कि अगर आप कैपिटल स्मॉल सेम लेटर में मैच करना चाहते हो तो आप मैच केस को के ऑप्शन को टिक कर सकते हो उसके अंदर. सो मैच केस ऑप्शन आपको यहाँ पे जब आप फाइंड करते हो कोई भी टेक्स्ट एडवांस्ड फीचर्स के अंदर, यहाँ पे आपको मोर ऑप्शन के अंदर आप जब जाओगे तो यहाँ पे मैच केस ऑप्शन आप टिक कर सकते हो. यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर, दिस इज़ योर मैच केस ऑप्शन. व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन, इट मीन्स इट विल पर्टिकुलरली मैच द कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल लेटर. लाइक इफ यू हैव रिटन हियर टुडे, देन इट विल नॉट find that one because T is small here. So when we will click here, then word has finished, the search item was not found. Okay, so match case means exactly if you want to match the case, then you can use this match case option. So this is your lesson number 4, options, finding the text and replacing the text. I hope you understood. Do it practically also on your computer. Thank you students. Next explanation of the next topics, working with shapes and drawing tools, I will explain you in the next video. Thank you. Do it practically on your computer.